Hi guys, today's video is to show you how to change the unlock pattern on the recorder. So we're gonna go and do the first one first, which we know. And the reason for this is so many customers call us and they say, we want to change the pattern because the first pattern has been compromised. So for security reason, you should always know how to change the pattern. So that's the first pattern, that's the original one we have right now. And once you log in, go to settings page, then go to user and click on add the main one and modify, and here put the password of the recorder. In our case is I think it's Hilton 123. Let me try. And okay, I'm gonna go inside now. Here is the option to unlock pattern, change it, draw unlock pattern. So I would say instead of before it was Z, so I'm gonna do U for uniform right now. So that will be our new pattern. One more time, and then press OK. So now we have changed the unlock pattern from Z to U for uniform. I'm gonna log out and log back in to show you that it has taken place. So click on power and click on log out, press yes, and now when I come back, and now if I try Z, Z shouldn't work, so try Z again. Yeah, so you will hear this kind of sound, and U is a new one, so we're gonna put the U one, and that's it really. So one more time, settings, user, username, modify, password, sorry about that, and then the cog sign there. Thank you so much for watching.